How to succeed in life, the ultimate guide, Knowledge Hub Factory. Welcome to Knowledge Hub Factory. Today, we're embarking on a transformative journey, a journey that explores one of the most powerful questions you can ask yourself. How can I succeed in life? This isn't just another motivational speech or checklist video. This is your deep dive guide to success, what it truly means, how it is achieved, and how you can build your own blueprint for lasting greatness. Let's start with the truth. Success is not one size fits all. It is not defined by society. It's not just about making money, becoming famous, or reaching the top of a corporate ladder. Success is personal. It's the fulfillment of your own vision for your life. It's about becoming the best version of yourself while leaving a meaningful impact on the world around you. Before we talk about how to succeed, let's understand what success actually means. Ask 10 people, and you'll get 10 different answers. For one person, success might mean financial independence. For another, it's building a loving family. For someone else, it could mean becoming a world-class musician, a top-tier athlete, or a respected thought leader. The point is, success must be defined by you. You must decide what winning looks like in your own life. You'll compare your path to others and feel lost. So take a moment to reflect. What does success mean to you? Write it down. Visualize it. Own it. Once you have that vision, it's time to build the foundation. And that starts with your mindset. The mindset of success is perhaps the most powerful tool you will ever develop. It is the inner software that determines how you interpret life, how you react to challenges, and how you show up every single day. And like software, your mindset can be upgraded. One of the most important mindset shifts is moving from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset. A fixed mindset says, I'm not good at this, or I've never been that type of person. A growth mindset says, I can learn, I can improve, and I can become whoever I decide to be. This isn't just positive thinking. This is science. Studies by psychologist Carol Dweck show that people with a growth mindset are more likely to embrace challenges, persist in the face of failure, and ultimately succeed. Another essential belief is taking full ownership of your life. Successful people don't blame the economy, their parents, or bad luck. They understand that while they can't control everything, they can always control their attitude, their effort, and their choices. Owning your outcomes, good or bad, is one of the most liberating shifts you can make. Resilience is another core mindset trait. You will face failure. You will hit obstacles. But resilience allows you to keep going. It's the ability to bounce back stronger. Think about every great success story you know. Behind each one, you'll find failure, rejection, and pain, but they kept going. That's what resilience looks like. Clarity is also key. The most successful people have a crystal clear vision of what they want. They can see their goals in their mind's eye. They don't just dream, they visualize, plan, and execute. Clarity brings direction, and direction brings momentum. And finally, optimism. The belief that in the end, things will work out. Not blind positivity, but strategic optimism. The kind that helps you find solutions, stay motivated, and lead others. Now let's talk about the habits of high achievers. Because success is not a one-time act. It is the result of repeated actions over time. In fact, it's your habits, your daily rituals, that determine your destiny. Morning routines are a powerful place to start. Most high performers begin their day with intention. They don't hit snooze 5 times and scroll social media for an hour. They wake up early. They meditate. They journal. They move their body. They review their goals. This sets the tone for the entire day. Deep work is another cornerstone habit. In a distracted world, focus is a superpower. High achievers create uninterrupted time for deep, meaningful work. This is when creativity flows, progress accelerates, and results are produced. Lifelong learning is non-negotiable. Read. Listen to podcasts. Take courses. Success leaves clues, and knowledge is power. The world changes fast. Those who keep learning keep growing. Networking is often overlooked, but it's vital. Success is rarely a solo journey. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support you. Build relationships, not just contacts. Seek mentors, offer value, grow your tribe, and don't forget reflection. High achievers pause to evaluate. They ask, what worked? What didn't? What can I improve? What can I improve? They track progress, celebrate wins, and adapt. Reflection turns experience into wisdom. Time is the most precious resource we have. You can always make more money, but you can't make more time. Mastering time is mastering success. Plan your day the night before. Use time blocks to assign your focus. Protect your mornings for your most important work. Batch similar tasks together. Limit distractions. Turn off notifications. Close unused tabs. And put your phone away. Use tools like the Pomodoro technique to stay focused. And say no more often. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you're saying no to something that matters. Be ruthless with your time. Guard it like your future depends on it, because it does. Next, let's talk about goals. Goals give your life direction. They create urgency. They give you a reason to wake up with purpose. But not all goals are created equal. You need goals that are smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Pair that with the OKR system, objectives and key results. Define a bold objective, and then list 3 to 5 measurable key results that will show you're making progress. For example, if your goal is to grow your YouTube channel, your key results might be: upload 1 video per week, reach 10,000 subscribers in 6 months, and achieve a 50% average watch rate. The next pillar of success is skill. The world rewards those who are exceptional. If you want to succeed, you must become great at something. Find a skill that's in demand and that aligns with your strengths and passions. Then master it. Practice daily. Not just random practice, deliberate practice. Push yourself, study the best. Get feedback. Track your improvement. Keep going. Over time, you'll build competence, and competence breeds confidence. But even with the best plans and the best habits, you will encounter fear. Fear of failure, fear of looking stupid, fear of what others think. Fear is normal, but it doesn't have to control you. Feel the fear and do it anyway, because action shrinks fear. Every time you take a step forward, the fear loses power. And remember, failure is part of the process. It's not the opposite of success, it's a stepping stone toward it. Success also depends on who you surround yourself with. You become like the people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. Build a circle that lifts you higher. Spend time with people who are smarter, kinder, and more driven than you. Get around people who have done what you want to do. Learn from them. Let their energy inspire you, and be that kind of person for others. Finally, success comes down to action. All the knowledge in the world means nothing if you don't act on it. Start before you're ready. Start small. Start messy. Just start. Take consistent action and success becomes inevitable. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It doesn't exist. Take the first step and then the next. Build momentum. Momentum builds confidence, and confidence builds success. Let's summarize everything we've learned. 1. Define your version of success. 2. Build a powerful mindset. 3. Create winning habits. Master your time and focus. 5. Set smart, measurable goals. 6. Develop valuable skills. 7. Overcome fear and embrace failure. 8. Surround yourself with the right people. 9. Take massive, consistent action. Success isn't easy, but it's possible, and it's worth it. You have everything you need to succeed. Now it's up to you to use it. Thank you for watching Knowledge Hub Factory. If you found value in this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more powerful insights every week. Let's grow together, learn together, and succeed together. Your journey to success starts now.